Hi guys, in this video we have write performance with respect to rate. So here 2, so I have write below average, and 3 for I have write good. So it take time to write here good, excellent, okay. So I have write some command here like equal, switch and bracket and select this cell, comma, and then 0 for I have write bad, then comma, and 1 for okay, and then 2 for uh, below average, and then comma, and 3 for good, and 4 for very good, and 5 for excellent. So bracket close at last and enter. So this formula I have apply all column. Here we can see that they are adjust with respect to red, good, excellent, very good, below average. So 0 bad.